What is up, guys? So my brother just copped this roush right here. We're at Premier Motors, and my brother just bought the stage 3 roush. Motherfucker's so clean, bro. Why do I sound more juiced than you, bro?
I don't know. I can't.
Huh?
I don't want to express my feelings like that.
This guy, this is so clean. Yeah, he got this for a pretty good deal. Super clean. And yeah, car to the freaking channel. Once I get my Shelby back up and going, I'm gonna see what's faster. But yeah, this is super clean. Proud of my brother. Heck yeah. We'll record a little more in depth, do some little pulls or whatever we gotta do, and show you guys the car. But it is super clean. He came up, I ain't gonna lie. And yeah, I'm kind of jealous right now because this is hella clean. But fuck it, he's my brother, so you know, hell yeah.
Give it a good rip. You have it on.
All right, go. Alright guys, so I'm in my brother's Fox right now. He's in his roush right in front of me. Went to go show my dad the car, and we had his Fox there, so I'm taking it home. But yeah, my brother is really juiced about the car. It's super clean. We'll be making another video on the car showing it a lot better, because today's just going to be a quick video. And hope you guys enjoy that run we had with that AMG we ran into. I believe it was a C63. I'm not too sure what year, or if it was even that. I know it said like bi-turbo V8 or something like that on it. But yeah, my brother's really juiced, and I'm glad, you know, that he got it. I told him he has to respect that much horsepower. You know, it's his first high horsepower car, so I told him, you know, just have respect with the car. It's not a toy. And as you can tell, one of those runs that we had in Mexico with the AMG, I even got a little sideways, because you know that car's no slouch. You got power. But yeah, guys, maybe I'll get my little brother do a little flyby to end this video. It's just a short one showing you guys the new whip. And yeah, so hope you guys are enjoying the content. There will be a lot more content. Maybe we'll see the Roush versus the Shelby and see what's quicker. There, my Shelby stock. This is the stock stage 3 Roush, so you know it should be a good one. But yeah, guys, till the next one.